Hi.
His boyfriend.
Girlfriend. It's a girl. Just kidding. It is a girl, but it's not my girlfriend.
You want to see a baby, you guys?
That ass though.
And
We
here
have more. There's 2 more.